Well, today I want to show you the use of my tool to make these column bases that I'm making for a guy's house in Detroit. This is the general shape of what I'm after, and I'm making them out of red oak, laminated design as you can see to build it up to the size I needed. What I'm going to show you is not the whole turning, but how I'm picking out key points to make this whole turning possible. The first thing I've got to do is turn it down to this line here, which will give me the maximum diameter that I'm after, and we'll go ahead and do that. I'm running the lathe at about 1200 RPM. This is about 12 inches in diameter. I'm going to 11 and 3/4 inches. So let's do that, and I'll show you how quick this goes. I'm using the standard tool with the round nose. Let it spin up, and we'll start turning. Now this is a little out of round to begin with, so you'll see some interrupted cuts first, and then we'll start just taking material off. The reason I like to go in this direction is when I go this way, it throws it right into my chest, and that loses the amusement factor real fast. So I like the tips to go away from me. That's about that. Now the next key point I'm going to pull up is a point from the base up to the next breakout, and that's 1.25 inches. So let's mark that here. I'm just using plain old art marker, just a pencil, because it gives a nice dark mark. So that's about where I want to be for the small shelf. It's always good to refer to your drawing over and over again. As Norm Abrams says, measure twice, cut once when you're turning. I'm sure you know there's no undo button on this, so you definitely have to make sure it's right the first time, or you have to make a whole new blank. So I know where I want to be, and what I'm going to use is my micro tool with the bit ground blunt flat, and that's going to just be a marker point for me to turn up to the next diameter. So let's start her up. Good for that. Now what I'm going to do is mark the next diameter I'm going to shoot for, which is, as I check, 10 3/8. So I'm going to mark this. I'll probably cut the video and then we'll come back. Okay, I've made my other target mark, which is this circle here, so I want to turn down to this diameter up to this groove that I made. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that I've got that done, you can see I did not make that groove deep enough, but that's not a big problem, because next I'll change out my bit here. And what I'm going to do is put in a flat nose bit for this larger tool. Let me go. This here is just a flat nose bit. And I'm going to stick it out far enough to make sure I can account for the shoulder here. Now I'm just going to take it and push it down to the diameter I just turned. Clean this up a little bit. And now I'm ready for the detail work that I'm going to do on this. That's about it for this demonstration. Thanks for watching. I want to show you another nice capability of my tool. I've got to put a groove 3/8 of an inch deep as a target point right on this line, just to the left of it. And what I'm going to do is use my small tool here with a flat bit. Now to get it 3/8 of an inch deep from this surface, there's a few ways to make sure you've got the right target depth. Certainly big calipers would be one, but this tool offers an interesting capability. I simply stick the tool bit out 3/8 of an inch from the body and then shove it in until it bottoms out, and I'm done. Here, let me show you. And with that, I've got my target, so now I can continue with my turning. Just thought you'd like to see that.